Hey, everyone! Whoops, forgot about that.
Flix, you have to be careful. What if you were caught in disguise?
Maybe it's time to retire the Yeti Cat.
You worry too much. I'm mostly very careful. Besides, Mum needs this.
There's more to this story. But what? Oh, Flix. I found this at the site of the Yeti Cat paw print. It's time to come clean, Flix.
You know? It's me. I'm the Yeti Cat.
Flix, this is serious. I've been writing a bogus story. My boss will be furious. What were you thinking?
You were worried about the paper. You needed a story and...
All of this was to help me? Oh, popcorn. This is quite the muddle.
How do we make things right?
It's all been a misunderstanding. There is no Yeti Cat.
Boo!
Don't boo Mum. It was me. I pretended to be the Yeti Cat. It got out of control. I'm sorry.
Flix, you can stop pretending now.
That wasn't me. Tabby? Munchkin?
It wasn't us.
Oh no! Meaning it's
The Yeti Cat!
Learn from the master, kitty snapper. Learn from the master. What can you do? This! Yeah! No one can outcool me.
You're right, Paws. Only because that shot is way too easy for a cat like Muncho.
What are you doing, Flix?
You're way cooler than these crazy cats. You know all the mats and the angles, Munchkin style. Smoking kippers! What a throw!
Yeah, only nerdy Munchkin can make a complex shot like that.
Munchkin? Who's Munchkin?
I am.
Muncho or Munchkin, whatever you choose. You be you, dude. That's what being cool is really about. Time to head on out.
I hate to say it, but I think he tries to be too cool.
What about the cool mess he's conveniently left behind?
Leave this to Munchkin and his all-new recyclogram.
Now that's the kind of Munchkin we love.
No more Muncho then?
It was fun, but not really me.
Yeah, Muncho could be a bit mucho, like wearing sunglasses at night and calling everyone bro.
But he was based on you. All cool, confident, and going with the flow.
Ha! I wish. I'd rather be like you. Smart, creative, and totally original.
Original? I invented a fake, cool version of myself. Not exactly genius material.
Hey, trying something new isn't silly. It's brave. You gave it a go. That's what matters.
Okay, maybe I'll keep a little Muncho. Just not the sunglasses at night part.
That's my cool cat. bait to reel her in, like a mint-condition Mad Cat comic book belonging to yours truly. Who could resist that?
I'm so pleased Flix loaned me his rare and valuable Mac Cat comic.
Yeah, it's worth a bundle.
And of course, we fixed a tracking collar to that comic. Mum and Dad made me wear the tracker when I was a wee pup.
You were always running off.
Now we can use it to track Jeanette. We've got to get down there. Woof! Ha! Why would she steal from Mr. Wheels if he was the criminal mastermind behind all of this? No, Jeanette is the culprit. Save your applause. I'm no Mac Cat, but I get the job done.
I'm apprehending you as part of a citizen's arrest.
Not the police.
We called them on the way here.
I would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for you, pesky kids, and your do-gooder father, and that octogenarian Mr. Wheels.
The only thing I love more than cake is mice cream.
We're celebrating, Bow Meow crew. The mayor will be cuckoo for this clock.
Glad it all worked out, Dad.
Thanks to you, Flix.
It was a team effort.
No, Tabby is right. You saved the day. I should have trusted that nose of yours all along.
It needed some TLC, turnip-loving care. But the nose knows, Dad. The nose knows.